Can you break your own castle that you struggled for years to build only for sake of Allah? Honestly, only few have the guts to do it. One among them is Halima Aden. She is first hijab wearing famous model who recently quits runway fashion show to focus more on religion Islam. To know more about her inspiration to take such a big decision, let's begin the story of Halima Aden. She was basically from Somalia but born at a Kenyan refugee camp after her family's escape from Somali civil war. During her childhood, even though she didn't know where the next meal would come from, she was happy, smart and had a lot of friends. At the age of 8, she and her family moved to USA for better future and facilities. But it wasn't without hardship. She didn't speak English and she was quiet and lonely. It all started during her high school when she was voted for homecoming queen, which led her to the path to become first hijab wearing Miss Minnesota beauty pageant. When Halima Aden made cover of Vogue Arabia as the first hijab wearing woman to cover Vogue title, it was certainly a momentous occasion. However, she was also criticized for wearing fitted form dresses and for working on by male makeup artists. At that time, she was young and naive who celebrated this success. But recently, due to COVID-19, she was given a break from industry, which made her to revisit her early career as model. This time she saw it as a new perspective. She began to realize where she went wrong in her personal hijab journey. She started to realize her faith was strongest when she was around her family, and her hijab was on point when she was surrounded by Somali culture. Her mother continuously pledged her daughter to quit modeling years ago. Now Halima is so much thankful to her mother for never giving up on her, also for reminding her to prioritize spirituality over worldly pressures. She wrote in her Instagram post that if I continued down this path, I would have definitely lost my hijab completely. My mom said, go correct it. You were good and blessed before fashion. They came to you. What are you scared of? Correct the mistake you made publicly. After this, she felt more free and relieved. Thank you, COVID 19, because being back home with mom has put so much into perspective. Now she is 23 years old who plan not to rush back to fashion for the sake of Allah and working on to help many homeless peoples. If there is one message I want people to take away is never compromise Islam for this world, even if that means making others uncomfortable. So, what's your choice?
World's first hijab wearing supermodel quits fashion shows over religious beliefs. America's Halima Eden, the world's first hijab wearing supermodel, announced she is quitting runaway shows as it compromises her religious beliefs. I can only blame myself for caring more about opportunity than what was actually at stake, the 23-year-old wrote. She recounted skipping prayers, being draped with a pair of jeans for a head covering, and agreeing to model without a hijab.